Hi everyone, today we're going to solve this viral math problem, 7 minus 9, and then you have 7 minus 9 inside these brackets, or in other words, parentheses. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support, and let's begin solving this problem. I'll be using PEMDAS to help us solve this problem, and PEMDAS, an easy way to remember, is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, where P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M for multiplication, D division, A addition, S for subtraction. And if I analyze this problem, I see subtraction, I see parentheses, I see multiplication. So PEMDAS will definitely help me solve this problem. And remember that P is the highest level and AS will be the lowest level. There are 4 different levels. P has its own level, E has its own level, MD has its own level, and lastly AS has its own level. So let's begin solving this problem. Now remember, working with PEMDAS, you have to read from left to right. 7 minus 9, that's at a low level. And parentheses is at a high level. So that means that we start with parentheses. 7 minus 9 is negative 2. And keep the parentheses. And then bring down the 9 and the 7 minus. Now, again, left to right, subtraction is at a low level, and multiplication, 9 times 2, that's at a high level. So 9 times 2 will go first, and it becomes negative 18, and keep the parentheses. And now we have 7 minus, and now you have a negative 18. That is not, this symbol that I'm pointing at, that is not a minus, that is a negative. This is a minus sign. That's one of the operations. But that symbol next to the 18, that is a negative. So anytime you see minus a negative, it becomes positive. So 7 plus 18 is 25. So your answer is 25. And there you go. Again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do and to support. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Happy face.